Welcome to Modular Hippo and this quick snapshot video where I will be looking at the bow rollers and also some bushes that I have 3D printed and designed for the bow rollers. This is the channel where I'm trying to build a 36-foot sailboat in my backyard, kind of ish. So let's take a look. So these are the bushes that I have designed for the anchor bow roller construction. So normally I would lathe bushes like this in Delrin, but I thought I'll give it a go to print these as high density prints where I have increased the infill and also some other parameters. For this print of the bushes, I'm going to use a filament called ASA. I'll stick the full chemical name on the screen as a title. It is supposed to be really good in terms of not swelling too much when it's contact with water, and it's also UV resistant or very UV friendly in terms of it can take a lot of UV without getting brittle, and therefore it's good material for marine use. So let's give this a go. The cool thing is that if these come out okay, then that means I can print a set of spares to carry with me when everything's now rigged up. So that's an easy thing to do and won't take any space, just in case I need to replace them. Okay, so what do we have here? That looks good to me. We have another one, and it's an interesting little line there. Not sure what that is. So I guess what we need to do, I've done a spare one of these that I want to cut in half just to see how hard it is. So let's give that a go. So I've used a grinder and it's solid. So it's solid material, which is really good. And I've tried to kind of flex it and squeeze it, and it's really solid. So if the measurements are correct, if they haven't gone egg-shaped or anything like that, then I think this is a really good solution versus having to lathe these. So if I'm happy with these, I'll probably replace all the other bushes that I have done previously with printed ones, just so I can also make some additional spare parts to take with me. So I'm definitely happy with this one. They spin freely and there's no gaps. There's a tiny little bit of a gap, but it's left for the percent of swelling that the bushes can swell if they are in wet conditions too long. So these are two sets of bushes that I printed that I can use as spares going forward, so I'll just put those in a box somewhere. One of the bow rollers that I need to make is for a 10mm calibrated chain. So this kind of explains what I mean with calibrated chain, as well as some of the measurements I need to take into account when I create it. The second one for the rope is more straightforward, so I have no measurements on that one for now. As always, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more and haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions or if you need any of the parts that I've gone through, then hit me up in the comments and we can take it from there. As well as if you're interested in the motor build, then there's a playlist for that, as well as if you're interested in the electrical components, there's another playlist for that. Until next time, have a nice weekend and I'll catch you soon.